This is how we turn off and drain the Eccotemp water heater. Right now the system is on and the valves are in the open position to allow water and gas in. Here are the main supply valves. It's the cold water without any insulation. Right now these valves are both on. They're straight with the pipe. That means it's open. To turn it off, we're going to turn this one back so it's perpendicular to the pipe. And this upper one we're going to pull forward. Now it's perpendicular. Once again, open and flow means they're both up parallel to the pipe. Now underneath, we will turn the power off, and then this is similar. This is a supply from the cold goes here. Blue is cold and hot going out is red, and these are in line with the pipe. It means it's on, open. We'll turn it so that it's perpendicular to the pipe. That means off. This one will turn that one, and that's off. And now we can open the drain valves, which are the ones with these tubes going to the bucket. We'll open that one, and we'll open this one, and then the system will drain into the bucket. And it should stop draining. There's not too much water in there. You can blow into, we'll try the hot side. We'll drain it any little bit out, and it should be fine, good to go. Everything's off. You can just walk away. System's off. Turn it back on, we'll do the reverse. First you close the drain valves. It's the cold one, the hot one. Now here's the pipe going this way. Now it's perpendicular to the pipe, that means it's off. Here's the input, we'll put that back on. That one's a little hard to turn. I need to get a wrench on that one. Let me pause. Okay, I got my wrench. Just that. There we go. Now it's in the flow position. There's the one on the bottom. That one's back in the flow position. And then we can open up the main and the hot one. So we're sticking those up in line with the pipe. You can turn the system on. Notice there's no water coming out of the drains because those are closed. And we should be good to go. You can test it. Turning the hot water on. You can hear it activate. Temperature should be going up to 120. Here it's flushing some air out. Makes a lot of noise. And it's warm. So it's good to go.